Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to remove or disable shutdown restart option for your users on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So you just need to follow me. So I will show you guys two methods by which you can easily disable shutdown option. For that you just need to go to your start or search window and type over here gpedit.msc. So type over here gpedit.msc. So I will give you this command to my video description. After that press enter or click on this gpedit.msc. Now after open local group policy editor, what you have to do, you just need to expand computer configuration from your left side. After that expand Windows settings. Now here you will get a security settings. So expand that one. Now click on local policies. So expand that one. Now here you will get under local policies, you will get user right assignment. So under this option on your right side, you will get a shut down the system. So double click on it. So here you can easily remove your users from here. So click on remove. You can add a particular groups which you want to give access for your shutdown. You can easily add from here. Okay. The next option, after that you just need to click on apply, then okay. The next option I will show you. You just need to go to your local group policy editor. Now this time you just need to expand user configuration. After that expand administrative templates. Now here you will get an option called start menu and taskbar. So select that folder. On your right side you will get an option called remove and prevent access to the shutdown restart sleep. So double click on it. And if you'll enable this option, it will disable shutdown for your user. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or question, then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.